Indian people don't they brutalize our people again for India, my people. This one will be the last one where I bring go. Una remember the last one where they kill one Nigerian man, where our Nigerian people for India come they protest many things. Now, as a result of that protest, they don't vex. And after that thing happen, when they protest, they demand for CCTV footage where they refuse to bring the alarm can't go viral. So now the Indians don't vex. And according to matter where reach me, my people, they say they don't give all the Nigerians where did that area. The particular area where this thing happened, they don't give them deadline. Say make them come out for. In fact, even if you just rent, even if you just pay for your rent, say they don't care. Just pack your things and go. I don't know where they expect them, make they go right now. They force all of them out. If you not see how they beat this one, I beg, I want make una see, and before I go start the talk, wait I want talk. Because join me, make we watch the video. Hey, Chineke, see people, children, how they be. I know my heart. Charlie, we are suffering, no. I don't know how now they see this, but we just home, abroad, outside, inside, all of them. We just no place where you feel just say, okay, now I get peace. If not before bad leadership, no, wait to consign Nigerians for inside India. If not be say our own people now, they don't even feel give us rest of all countries where person want go na India. Una safe, I not just understand. Una leave other countries where at least una better come back. Oh. Una better the same way una find una way there. You better find that way back to your country. Some of them say you no go blame them. Seriously, you no go blame them. Many people don't forget what it feel like to feel at home. Inside your country, they terrorize you, they brutalize you. Outside again, the same thing. But I beg, make una come back. Because our husbands come back, oh, you understand? It better make you dey your country, they manage, than for you to dey another person country and die. It's better. Be a survivor. No go there. Say my country they are not treating us now. I beg, many of us still there here. We they manage. We they push life small. It better than for because see they talk. How did they talk that thing? The devil you know is better than the angel you don't know. That place where now they run to. First of all, the fact alone say you don't even be citizen. If anything happen to you, who is concerned? But at least for your country, it get as it be. We know say things bad, but at least it better. Make una come back. Seriously, I don't know how many of una they see the way they see. Because as they did there, wait be the solution. Wait be the solution. And even here for Nigeria self, you go see how Africa, oh God, who does this thing? If we see if we not see how they treat Indians for this Nigeria. They say they be kings. They give their respect all because of skin color. I don't know whether they don't swear for una. If una just see person wey get light color small. Hey! Now God be that. Una go even forget una self. But see am. I'm not going to even blame them. Now Buhari they blame because all these things start from there. Una no even feel respect us for our country. Now outsiders want respect. See, it's what you give that you receive. It is as simple as that. No change am, no taste, nothing. And this whole thing now, see, if una no dey careful, me I dey perceive war. When Indians, as they don't start now, Nigeria still will want start their own. All the Indians wey dey Nigeria now, they go start the 3 day. India people go come hear that one now. Another wahala. I know. See, this thing it don't happen before. Not be the first time we dey hear am. So if we no tackle this thing now, now why they tell them make them come back home? May we not say okay, oh now everybody dey on your own. As simple as that. The war where this thing go bring, una no go believe say na just simple things start am. Iwari administration. Hey, you no go better for these people. See how they don't make people for outside to see us finish. No, now if you mention the name Nigeria, it be like rag. Like nobody even before it get level where they give Nigerians. Now, in fact, I don't even I dey look for country where I go even use do Nigeria this thing balance them. Nigeria is now below, in fact, below zero. Below zero. Now the level where Buhari don't bring us. See how they treat our people, but for Nigeria, all of una say we like Z word. Many all of una we like Z word. I bet make una cancel that channel self. In fact, don't vex. Cancel that channel. No more Z word. If you like Z word, L word, M, make una cancel am. We no fit dey patronize them. They watch their this. All of una we no fit do without that thing. Yet see how they treat una people. How many of Indians they watch African magic? No, how many of them? We even be better out of self than them. The only thing where they sabi do na to they sing. They tie up and down. They do this one. Una already they wrong to kill somebody. And una no want make person protest. As if say that one self no even do. Una even add. Una don't they send them out. They beat them. If una just send them out alone, we no see that one an insult, but it better. See the sticks where they use flog these people. Let's say they be cows. Now that kind of stick they suppose they use for cow. You see they use on top human being. See, me I no want stress myself on top this matter. I say I go bring and come aside because my people we are really suffering. As I talked before, no, I don't even know where we even figure peace. But I still believe say our country as bad as it be, now still our country. So we go just manage it like that. I bet my people make una come back. Make una try come back, find way, book your flight, borrow money, anything wey you supposed to do. If not to even swim from that place to Nigeria, swim and come. Very, very important. Make una live there before we hear say another person don't die. The one wey don't die is okay. Even though it dey painful, but I beg, me we just manage that one like that. Make una just come back on. I be my people waiting una think. Me na the solution where I see. I know they see any other thing. Because if you tell them now another protest, now another killing go take place. And as it be, we no get government where we go say if they can't support us or if they can't send people we no get. My people, now the matter be this. So anything where you guys talk concerning this case, advice, suggestion, anything, just drop out for there. And make sure say you share this video so that our Indian people, did I say our? Sorry, so that those Indian people they go know where till they happen. And very, very important. Even those our brothers where they there they struggle, maybe they look for solution and the solution be this. So I beg, help me share them and subscribe if you never subscribe. If not, you go they miss matters like this. Stay tuned for our next story.